Students, let us solve this example. 4 d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 minus 8 d cube y upon dx cube minus 7 d square y upon dx square plus 11 dy by dx plus 6y equals to 0. Since your RHS phi of x is equals to 0, so this is known as what? Homogeneous differential equation. So it's of order 4, hence we cannot find the roots directly by calculator. You have to simplify it and solve by synthetic division. So this is very important example. Now let us write or simplify this equation in terms of the operator. So 4 d raised to 4 minus 8 d cube minus 7 d square plus 11 d plus 6 into y equals to 0. Now let us write the auxiliary equation. For auxiliary equation, just replace the value of d by 4, d by m. So 4 m raised to 4 minus 8 m cube minus 7 m square plus 11 m plus 6 and equate it to 0. Right. Now we have to simplify this. Now before starting with synthetic division, you have to find for what value of m the root is satisfied. So let me take with m is equals to 1. So for m is equals to 1, whether we get the equation equals to 0. So this will be 4 into 1 raised to 4 is 4 minus 8 into 1 cube is again 8 minus 7 m square is 1. So 7 plus 11 into 1 plus 6. So this is 4 plus 11, 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 minus 15 is equals to 6 and is not equals to 0. So m equals to 1 is not a root. You have to find the value of m such that this equation is satisfied. So now let us consider the second value of m equals to 2. Suppose I take m is equals to 2 and put in this equation. So auxiliary equation. So this is 4 and m raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 8. 2 cube is 8 minus 7. 2 square. 2 square 4 plus 11 into 2 plus 6. So this is 64. This is also 64 minus 28 plus 22 plus 6. So now this is 64 get cancels, then you are getting 28. This is 28 and 22 minus 28 plus 22, which is 6 plus 6, and you are getting equation satisfied as 0. So we take m is equals to 1 of the root. Now from the given equation, you go on writing the coefficient of d raised to 4 d cube d square d and the constant in this manner. So this is known as synthetic division in order to reduce the fourth order equation to cubic equation. So the coefficient of first coefficient 4 of d raised to 4, then minus 8. Okay, from this equation, please check it. 4 minus 8 minus 7, 11 and 6. Okay, then here we have got m is equals to 1 of the root, so place it here, then place 0 over here, then go on adding 4 plus 0 is 4, then multiply this 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8, so place that 8 here. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0, then 2 into 0 is 0, minus 7 plus 0 is minus 7, then 2 into minus 7 is minus 14, keep it here, then 4 and minus 14 is minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore now, so whatever values here you are remaining, it is nothing but your cubic equation. So for the cubic equation is given by 4m, so start with cube, plus 0 into m square minus 7 into m and minus 3. This is your constant. equals to 0. So whatever values here are remaining, you convert in terms of equation. Yes. So 4 into m cube, 0 into m square minus 7 into m minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is cubic equation where a value of a, coefficient of m cube 4, coefficient of m square b is 0, coefficient of m c is minus 7 and that of d is minus 3. So these values of a b c d you put in the calculator and you know how to find the roots using calculator. So when we solve this, you are going to get the root as m is equals to minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So already we have got earlier one of the root as 2. Therefore totally there are 4 root. What all are those? 2, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. All are real and distinct. So how will be the complete solution given by? Complete solution is given by complementary function yc, or this is y equals to. So c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 1 into x plus c3 into e raised to minus 1 by 2 into x plus c4 into e raised to 3 by 2 into x. This is what the required solution. I hope synthetic division is clear.